Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we have completed our lesson number 15, Fun with Clay. So today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 16, My House. Page number 105. In this lesson we are going to learn different types of houses, know the materials used in the construction of houses, and understand the problems faced by the homeless people. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. My house. My name is Nazim. I live in Srinagar. Since yesterday there is lot of activity in our school. It will go on for a week. Do you know why? There is a camp being held in our school. Children have come from many places for the camp. Tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. We have decorated the school beautifully. Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors. Streamers means a long narrow strip of materials which used in decoration. Some have made posters using almond shells, while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and sawdust. Today is the first day of the camp. We are very happy. In the morning, we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. Each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we liked to eat. Children brought pictures of their families and their homes. Everyone spoke about their homes. Bhupen's group was the first to discuss. Bhupen introduced himself and said, "What care has to be taken by those who are living in house made up of bamboo or wood?" Let's see. Bhupen says, "I have come from Molan village in Assam. It rains heavily in our place. Hence our houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. They are made on strong bamboo pillars. Inside of our houses are also made of wood." You can see here students. This type of houses are there in village of Assam. You can see that the houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. You can see. The houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Why? Because it rains heavily in Assam. Bamboo pillars are used to prevent water from entering into the house. You can see in this picture. Bamboo pillars are used to prevent water from entering into the house. Now you can see students, these houses have slant roof. You can see. These houses have slant roof. Why? Because they are prevent to stay at the roof, prevent water to stay at the roof and does not create leaks. These houses have wooden ladders. You can see. It removed at night because to prevent any unwanted animals entering into the house. Okay. Now the question. Why are houses made on bamboo pillars where Bhupen lives? So the answer is, the house is made on bamboo pillars where Bhupen lives because it rains heavily in Assam. Bamboo pillars are used to prevent water from entering into the house. What kind of roofs do Bhupen's house have? Why are they made like this? So these houses have slant roofs. They are made like this so that the water does not stay at the roof and create leaks. How does one enter these houses? One enters these houses by wooden ladders. Okay students? So with this our video is completed. So write the answer of these questions in your book. Okay? Thank you.